Welcome to Manhattan Motorcars. My name is Anissa Backus and I'm thrilled to show you the all-new 992 GT3. The GT3 is powered by a 4-liter naturally aspirated 6-cylinder engine that produces 502 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque. It screams with a maximum engine speed of 9,000 RPM and an impressive 0 to 60 time of 3.2 seconds. Drivers can opt for a 7-speed Porsche Doppelkupplung transmission with GT3 optimized short gear ratios and sports setup, or a 6-speed manual transmission for the purist. Regardless of which transmission you select, the GT3 comes standard with Porsche active suspension management, rear axle steering, Porsche torque vectoring, and 20-inch front, 21-inch rear center locking wheels. Both of these beautifully configured GT3s have optional carbon ceramic brakes, front axle lift, and carbon fiber roof. Also, both drivers have opted for an interior fire extinguisher and have upgraded the 16.9-gallon fuel tank to the extended range fuel tank, which expands the capacity to 23.7 gallons. To match the exterior color, this vehicle features wheels painted in satin black with the outer lip painted in shark blue. Both functional and decorative black stone guards are included as well. Adding some slight contrast, we have carbon fiber exterior mirrors. To match this exterior detail, the interior inlays are finished in gloss carbon fiber, which really highlight the modern dimensions of the new 992 dashboard. For daily use and comfort, the driver has opted for 18-way adaptive sport seats. The main highlight of this interior that further brings the exterior in is the selection of shark blue textile. Both the deviated stitching and seat belts in shark blue complete the look. A similar finish but different color choice is the wheels painted in satin neodyme, which are not only stunning but pair well with the python green exterior and the yellow brake calipers. Both headlights and taillights are upgraded on this particular GT3. In the front, we have the LED matrix design headlights in black, and to follow, we have Porsche exclusive design taillights. The sporty side profile of this GT3 is enhanced by its model designation stripe decal in black and exterior mirror fully painted to match the exterior color. On the inside, this GT3 is a true race car. It includes full bucket seats, and to complement them, the driver has strategically opted for Racetex material on the center console, sun visors, seat belt outlet trim, steering wheel, and shifter, giving it a subtle and elegant machined look. Pedals and footrest in aluminum brighten the footwells. Topping it off, the central tachometer, sport chrono stopwatch dial, and seat belts are all perfectly coordinated in racing yellow. Thank you for taking a look at the all-new 992 GT3. We look forward to seeing you again for the release of the 992 GT3 with touring specification.